Okay, let's talk about a Wall Street legend, Peter Lynch, and his playbook for finding amazing stocks.
Check this out. This was his average annual return for 13 years straight. Absolutely incredible. I mean, he took the fund from just $18 million to a mind-blowing $14 billion.
His goal? To find 10 baggers, stocks that make you 10 times your money. So how do you do it?
It all starts with his most famous rule, which is super simple. Just invest in what you already know.
See, Lynch believed you, the individual investor, actually have an edge. Why? You spot trends first. Some of his biggest wins didn't come from fancy reports. Nope. They came from coffee shops and department stores.
But, and this is super important, just liking a product isn't enough. It's a starting point, not a buy signal.
So this is where his actual strategy kicks in. It's called GARP, growth at a reasonable price.
Think of GARP as the best of both worlds. It bridges that gap between pure growth and pure value investing. And to find these GARP stocks, Lynch had a secret weapon, a really powerful but simple tool.
It's called the PEG ratio, and all it really does is compare a stock's price to how fast it's actually growing.
Here's the magic number. If that PEG ratio is under 1, you might have found yourself a real bargain. Just look at this. Both companies have the same price, but the PEG ratio shows Dynamic Co. is the real deal.
All right, so how do you actually take all this and find your own 10-bagger? Well, Lynch had a checklist.
He looked for a fair price, insiders buying stock, and low ownership by the big firms on Wall Street. But finding that great company is only half the battle. The other half? You gotta be patient and hold on.
At the end of the day, his whole philosophy comes down to this. Just keep turning over rocks. Do the work.
And that's the whole idea, really. Your next great investment could be hiding in plain sight right now.